Captain's log supplemental. Heard from a couple greenery captains that they've been running double shifts lately at the grain station. That they are getting this special grain that is grown on Earth. That they are taking it to Shermal planet. That is close to the Cleon neutral zone over there. That is the only plant that can grow on that world. I mean, wow. Evidently, they have special fertilizers that they put on that grain in order for it to grow, you know, in abundant and everything. But they say, man, when they're out there and out in the fields and everything, they have so much grain they don't know what to do with it. So, hey, that's great. We got to have all the grain that we get. I mean, you can take that grain and make a lot of stuff with that stuff. I mean, that's really, really good stuff. So I just thought I'd make myself a little small entry on this here that, yeah, Shermal's planet is starting to be a grain planet. It's like, damn. So, yeah, it's a natural wet planet that it just grows grain. They tried other plants like corn, beans, stuff like that, but it just don't seem like it grows good. But that special grain, it just grows on abundance and that. So I thought that was interesting. So we're gonna have so much grain, we ain't gonna know what to do with it. So good for Shermal's planet. Yeah, give him a thumbs up, man. Give him a thumbs up on that one. Yeah, there we go. So, hey, that's about it.
Captain's Log Supplemental. It is harvest season of special grain on Earth, and the last report that I got is they are getting double the yield as they normally do, so they're going to be shipping out more than they normally do, so that grain will be going a lot farther this year, and a lot more planets will be benefiting from this extra special grain. Or extra special grain? Special grain. They must have had the nutrients just right this year, and the season was just right, because normally you would not have, you have a little bit every now and then, but not double. So they did very well this year, and a lot of people are going to benefit from this. Captain Mark, commanding the USS Crytek, out.
I'm Whoopi. Boy, woo, green. I love green. I love green in my cereal. I love green in my bread. I love green anywhere I can put green in. I need to hitch a ride to the green planet so I can get me some fresh green. Yeah. Shermal planet, keep up the good work. Keep up the good work, Shermal planet. We need a lot of green. Even if you don't have a whole lot, that green will work beautifully with no problems and no issues. Grain is good stuff. Yeah.
This is Admiral Jim Shepard of Starfleet Command. Captain, I am glad to hear that Shermal's planet is doing very well with grain. We were so worried that they wouldn't have a whole lot of grain for all of us, but the way it sounds, they have plenty of grain for all of us. Even the surrounding planets in the area will be pleased to get that grain. Keep up the good work, Captain, and we'll catch you later on. Admiral Jim Shepard, out.
Commander's personal log. Commander Sparks recording aboard USS JLS. I've been watching the progress of Shermel's planet. That natural wet planet is growing so much green so fast that it is bursting in the seams. That the greenery shuttles just can't keep up with it. They might have to put more than double shifts on. They might have to put triple shifts on just to keep up with the demand. That's pretty good. And the grain is a high grain, which can be used for abundance of many things. Commander Sparks, aboard the USS JLS, and a personal log.
I just heard through my communicator that Shermel's planet has a lot of grain. Man, I just emptied out my one cargo bay that I can handle a trillion tons of this stuff. And I hope it's good grain, because I love grain. I take that grain and I sprinkle it on my the beetle snuff. Oh man, gotta watch out for the little pits now and then, but it's pretty good stuff, so so I hope I can make some good Go Press strips on this, because I'm pretty low on Go Press strips, but oh yeah, wheat sounds really good for dinner tonight. Maybe I'll get a hold of Quark and he can go ahead and make me some really good stuff. He's been playing around doing things, but that's just the way it is with that boy. He's just a young lad, and one of these days, who knows what he'll do. He keeps talking about running a bar. Well, I don't know when that would be. It's hard to tell. But who knows? But I'm going to set a course over to Shermel's planet and give me some grain.